Yeah, my lovely people, once again, it's Thompson. This video is about the site I want to show you. Okay, if you want to start your own business, you want to start your importation, you want to start buying goods at cheaper prices. For instance, if you are in Ghana, you can buy some these sneakers like 20 cedis and you're going to sell them like 250. Some you can buy them at 40 cedis, 50 cedis from the factories directly. Then this video is here for you. That is the reason why I'm not showing myself. I want to show you the apps, the applications that you need to venture into this business. This business is the importation business, and trust me, you are not going to hate it and you are not going to say it is not helping you. You are going to make massive profits from this business. So I encourage you to stay tuned to this video while I take you through the applications and the tools that you need if you want to start your mini importation business. Yeah, this is my phone screen. So you will need apps like 1688 app. You will need apps like Pinduoduo, and you will need apps like Taobao. Then you also need your Alipay account. You also need your 1688. I've mentioned that already. Then you will need your Google Translate app if you are on an iPhone, and if you are on an Android phone, you also need the application we call Hi Translate. They are all found in the Play Store. So these applications will help you. Let me open my 1688 account where most of our buying and our procurement is going to be done. This is it. This is where I do everything. I procure items for people, I buy goods at cheaper prices, and I sell them to customers and my people who want them. Those who know me for having the expertise in doing this, they do order from me and I deliver to them on time. Look at the duvet there, look at the materials, look at the kitchen appliances, blenders, TV sets, speakers, woofer, lights, all manner of things, bed sheets, sneakers like the one you have seen. Everything you need, you can get them from this market, this Chinese market, at the factory price. You know, one thing about business is once you are able to get your goods at the factory price, yes, selling them becomes so easy because you can adjust your price a little bit to beat the competition in the market, and you are going to make huge profits, super abnormal profits. So if you want to learn this and master it, yours is to be on my channel, subscribe to my channel, watch other videos. I have video tutorials for all the applications, how to set them up, how to go about the procurement and everything. So you go on my channel and watch all the videos and you will have the knowledge. If you are missing anywhere, my number will be on the screen. Contact me for guidance on whatever you want to do. It is good to learn how to have a business of your own. Even if you will not do a business, you can use this market to buy items for yourself. Sometimes I used to purchase a suit from there that I wear to school and other places myself. I can purchase some sneakers for myself and any other thing.